we had the pleasure of, and Dr. Shia explained to us what he does and how it relates to collisions and auto accidents and other type of collisions. What type of other injuries do you see, or other types of incidents do you see? You mentioned auto accidents, but there's others, I'm sure. Can you elaborate more on that?
We see a number of slip and falls, motorcycle accidents, and we see a number of chronic pain conditions that you can find when you look in their history are the result of previous injuries like falls from trees and machinery accidents, etc.
Okay. What are the most common, and because you've been doing this now for quite some time, what are the most common injuries do you find that in your line of practice?
Spine injuries secondary to car accidents is by far what I see the most. I see an incredible number of rear-ending injuries from people who were texting and they failed to see the person in front of them stopping and they rear-ended. And rear-ending injuries have very predictable consequences in terms of the pain and the injuries that occur.
Let's talk about that, because as a personal injury attorney, the biggest impacts that we see as far as auto accidents go, we have other moped accidents, scooter accidents, but is either injuries or accidents or left-hand turn ones. Those are the two most common, but the rear ones are the ones that we find that it's a lot of damage unless they get T-boned.